Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create engaging polls on Google Chat using the Polly app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to chat.google.com. Once you're there, log in using your Google account credentials. This will give you access to all your chat spaces and allow you to start integrating helpful apps like Polly. After you've logged in, you'll see your dashboard with various chat spaces on the left side of the screen. Go ahead and click on any of the spaces where you'd like to create a poll. This could be a team workspace, project group, or any collaborative space where you need to gather opinions or feedback from your members. Now, in the text field at the bottom of your screen, type at Polly. Make sure to include the @ symbol before typing Polly. Once you've typed it, go ahead and send this message. What this does is trigger the installation of the Polly app directly into your Google Chat workspace. It's a quick and seamless process that integrates the polling functionality right where you need it. With Polly now installed in your chat, you're ready to create your first poll. Here's where it gets interesting. In the same text field, type at Polly again to activate the app. Right after that, you'll need to input your poll question inside double quotation marks. For example, you might type something like, "What should we eat?" This question will be what your team members see when they're voting on your poll. Next, you'll add your poll choices. Each option needs to be entered in its own set of double quotation marks. So continuing with our example, you would type pizza space pasta space burger after your question. This creates a clear set of voting options that everyone in the space can choose from. Once you've structured your poll question and all your choices, hit send. The app will instantly generate and display your poll in the chat space. And there you have it. You've successfully created an interactive poll in Google Chat that your team can respond to right away. This feature is perfect for quick decisions, gathering feedback, or just making team coordination more engaging and democratic. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.